For the first time in years, Russian President Vladimir Putin is in India and he's staying for full 2 days.
There he is, skipping down the stairs of that IL-76.
Prime Minister Modi there in person, breaking protocol to welcome Mr. Putin as he touches down on Indian soil.
In global diplomacy, that alone says a lot. This is not just a routine state visit, this is a major strategic moment for India. I'll tell you why. After 2021, Putin's first trip to India, and it's happening at a time when Russia is under heavy Western sanctions, global alignments are shifting, and India is navigating a tight balance between West, China, and the Moscow. So why is this visit so important? Number one, defense. Russia remains India's biggest defense export. Expect discussions on S-400 systems, advanced BrahMos upgrades, hypersonic technologies, long-term military cooperation at a time when India cannot afford vulnerabilities on its borders. Number two, energy and crude oil. Russia has become India's top crude oil supplier. Despite global pressure, discounted Russian oil has kept India's fuel prices stable. Number three, trade. India and Russia want to push bilateral trade to $100 billion by 2030. Expect agreements on nuclear energy, fertilizers, pharma, agriculture, ports and logistics, and a major push to reduce dependence on the US dollar. Number four, the Chennai-Vladivostok Maritime Corridor. This project is back on the table. If revived, it can cut transportation time by almost 40% and open a new Indo-Pacific supply chain connecting India directly to the Russia's Far East. And finally, the symbolism. Putin staying in India for full 2 days after years signals that the India-Russia partnership isn't just surviving on global tension, it's being upgraded. Private dinner with PM Modi, closed-door talks, multiple MOUs. This visit is about rewriting the next chapter of a relationship that has shaped India's strategic space for decades now. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments below.